Good morning all of you. I am Kanchan Sardana from RPIT campus Bastada, Kannada. Hope you all are doing well. So our next topic are the elixirs. So what are elixirs? These are also liquid doses form. These are also liquid doses form which are prepared in the solution form and have most advantage than the solid doses form because they can be taken orally and have the rapid immediate onset of action which lead to the immediate effect of the drug. So as it enter into the directly absorbed and enter into the bloodstream. So liquid dose form is preferred for the older and infants because it should be easily taken and its action is also very strong and rapid. So next is the elixir. These are also liquid dose form. These are the clear flavored hydroalcoholic solutions which are intended to be taken orally for the treatment of any disease. So elixirs, for example, piperazine citrate elixirs is used for the treatment of any disease which is taken orally. Then it is clear and flavored and hydroalcoholic. It contains alcohol in it, so it is known as hydroalcoholic solution. But nowadays it is used at less rate than other doses because there are novel evaluation for the doses form. So these contain the alcohol in it. So percentage of alcohol is used in the elixir is 4 to 40%. So elixirs contain alcohol which is also self-protective in nature. Then what are the advantages of elixir? So for the poorly soluble drugs we can incorporate the elixir because due to alcohol its solubility of the drug can be increased which are not soluble in the water. So poorly soluble drugs cannot be incorporated as elixir form. Then it is less viscous, clear solution and it is less viscous. So the formula filtration is easy than the other doses form. Like for the syrups we require the filtration, but they are viscous in nature, so they get filtered. They do not get filtered easily. But elixirs are clear solutions, so these can be filtered easily. Then elixirs are used for the variety of potent and nauseous drugs. Some of the drugs which are taken orally are potent, they have rapid action, or they are sensitive in nature, and some are the nauseous which causes the nausea feeling, means feeling of vomiting can caused by certain drugs. The poorly soluble drugs mainly are nauseous in nature, so we incorporate them in the elixir form. Then disadvantages of the elixirs are they are less viscous, so they are less sweet in nature, and because of the alcohol their economic level means they are expensive in nature because alcohol come under the legal perspectives, so processing is included for the alcohol, so it is less commonly used as a preparation nowadays. Then comes the what are the types of elixirs. So elixirs are of two types, medicated and non-medicated. As the name says, medicated means which contains the medicament or drug which is used for the treatment of disease. So medicated elixirs are the elixirs which contain the therapeutic agent in it or the drug which is used for the treatment of disease. Then non-medicated are the elixirs which do not contain the medicament, but these are used as a medium for the other formulation. Like we use simple flavored syrup for the formulation of other syrups, we can also include the elixir where alcohol is used. We can use the non-medicated syrup as a flavoring agent. Then comes the method of preparation. So our elixirs also are prepared by simple solution method, and we can also incorporate the aqueous solution and alcoholic solution which are mixed together to form the elixir. So दो लिक्विड बनते हैं इसमें, एक aqueous solution जिसमें हमारी ड्रग एक्वा सोल्यूबल होगी या कंपोनेंट्स, जिसमें अल्कोहल सोल्यूबल होगी वो अल्कोहल में, देन अल्कोहल को हम कहाँ मिक्स कर देते हैं, एक्वस में, एंड वी ऐड द फिल्टरिंग एड फॉर द फिल्ट्रेशन, ताकि हमारे जो एक्स्ट्रा पार्टिकल्स हैं दे कैन बी रिमूव फ्रॉम द एलिक्सर. So these are the elixirs which are prepared by simple solution method. Thank you.